Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're doing well. Let's make these very delicious blueberry muffins. They're keto friendly and they are gluten free and they're wicked easy to make. Before we make anything, can you please sub if you haven't, turn on the notification button, and let's make this. As always, all of these ingredients will be listed with grams at the bottom in the description box, okay? In here, I have 2.5 cups of almond flour. As I didn't compact the cup, I used the spoon and level method, okay? So it's not dry. I have a 1/3 cup of sweetener. I'm using monk fruit. I have 1/2 cup of salt, 1/2 cup, not 1/2 cup, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of lemon zest. Let's say 1/2 teaspoon instead of 1, okay? I think that'll be too much. I'm gonna mix this. All right, we'll make a little hole in the middle there. I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of melted unsalted butter. It's been cooled already. I'm gonna add a 1/3 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 3 eggs at room temperature. We're just gonna whisk this and mix it. One thing I love about cooking with almond flour, everything is so fast and easy. Now we're gonna add 2/3 cups of blueberries. Can you see how plump and beautiful those are? Wow, they're so sweet. And we'll just fold that in. So I lined my muffin tin, there's 12 of them, with paper. And now I'm just gonna scoop batter into each one. These are gonna go in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 centigrade, for between 20 and 25 minutes. 20 minutes, guys. These are golden, they're beautiful. The toothpick came out clean. They're ready. I'm gonna let them cool down and we can taste them. So let's see, nice and soft. Oh boy, I don't have to say anything. These are good. They're very, very good. And you saw how easy they are. I hope you make these and love them. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.